Hello all you beautiful people, my name is Eric and I have a YouTube channel called Nature Bound. The link is going to be in the description. You can go check it out after you're done watching Michael's video here. But first, before you do anything else, hit that like button, press the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that little bell so you get notified of all the upcoming videos. Alright Michael, roll those bumps.
Rain. Anything you were planning to do outdoors kind of gets canceled on rainy days. I think I've got a good cure for rainy day syndrome. How's that for a cure for rainy day syndrome? Puppies, huh?